Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing this Wayne automatic pool cover pump. So first you're going to set it directly on your pool cover. It has a weighted thermoplastic base and that's going to help keep it steady even in the wind or when your pool cover kind of moves around a little bit, and while you're just trying to actually place it on the pool cover, it gives it a nice solid base. You just plug it into a standard outdoor outlet. Now, this uses the Wayne's iSwitch sensor technology, and it activates when it is in about 2 inches of water. And then it will shut off again once that water level drops. So what that means is that you just plug it in and let it run. You don't have to worry about it. Let's watch it pump. So we've got a hose that hooks up to it, and then we just run this hose off of our pool cover, off of our concrete into our flower beds. You can see the water flowing out of the hose comes out at a significant pace. So if there is a lot of water on your pool cover, this pump is going to pump it out very fast. It can move up to 3,000 gallons per hour. This pump has been a great pump. It has lasted for over 2 years now, and we have had to do minimal maintenance with it. One of the nice things is the base itself is actually a strainer. It filters out leaves and debris. It also has freeze protection, so if ice or debris lock up the impeller, it has an auto shut off. We really like that it has a reliable automatic sensor, so we just put it on and forget about it. It's gonna pump that water off when it rains, and it's gonna stop pumping when there's no more water on the cover.